What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. I think it might be time to be getting back into some long-term positions in a Litecoin. There's going to be changes to the code that's actually going to make it a lot cheaper to transact with, and I think that's really bullish for Litecoin. So I wanted to dive into that in this video, so let's check it out.
Trade Genius.
So this is actually a website, bitcoinist.com, but essentially what's going to happen is they are making a new software update, Litecoin Core 0.17. They tout will beat Bitcoin Cash on cost and speed, and they're going to reduce the transaction fees by 90%. So it's going to make it a lot cheaper to move crypto around with that kind of fee, basically half a cent per transaction. So right now it's a 5 cent on average for the fees. Bitcoin or Litecoin's at $52 right now, but this will reduce it down to closer to half a cent. So I mean, that's just really extremely cheap way to move stuff around. I think that's really bullish for Litecoin. Now Litecoin kind of, you can look at Litecoin as, yeah, it could be redundant, but I don't think that you're gonna see it go away anytime soon. Really, you have to look at Litecoin as a test net for the features that end up showing up on the Bitcoin blockchain. So there's more flexibility in doing things with the Litecoin blockchain, but I think this is really bullish for Litecoin as the Bitcoin Junior status. And I think you're always going to have people that are going to look at the price of Litecoin and want to have some of that at these lower valuations. But when you look at it in terms of where Bitcoin Cash is, Bitcoin Cash is at $438 or thereabouts. I think that shows you that there's a lot of upside potential for Litecoin in the market. So I think Bitcoin, if you're in Bitcoin Cash, you probably want to consider maybe diversifying into things like Litecoin. So I think it's just a very bullish development for Litecoin. I think that if you look at the Litecoin price charts, so this Litecoin price chart, essentially this is kind of like a long range channel that we're kind of bouncing up and down in, but you notice you want to be accumulating Litecoin when it's on the bottom of this channel, and that's where we're at. So I think even if you got some here and it dipped a little lower, bigger picture, you're going to see another rocket up into the upper end of this spectrum here on this channel. So as you can see with the volume nodes, a large area of accumulation for Litecoin in this area. So guys, I think that's a good opportunity to be looking at, again, legging into some longer term positions with it. So I thought I would share that with you. But again, I think from these areas, you could easily see 100% return. And generally with Litecoin, it happens very, very quickly. The moves are very fast. So you're either in it or it's going to be real hard to chase it up. So guys, if you are interested in trading cryptos or anything like that, we have our specials running. Check them out. You can get a package for $3.99, gives you a whole year of all the signals and our access to our chat rooms, so you can ask us any questions. If you're getting into this space, you can get the lessons, you can get coaching, all that stuff. So just wanted to share that with you guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.